guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this pumpkin stack. I'm going to go in first with the color putty for my bottom pumpkin. And next I'm going to go in with sea glass for my top pumpkin. And these are paint by line, which means that all the lines are etched into the cutout for you. I'm going in now with chocolate, and I painted my stem at the top. And I'm also painting all the lines that are etched into my cutout. And then I'll go in between each of the pumpkin's ridges and do a little highlight here and there with my chocolate. Following that, I'll go over all of these chocolate highlights with putty, which is a light tan color. And then I'll also, on the bottom pumpkin that's tan, I'm going to go over it with Savannah Mist, which is a pretty light gray. It's my favorite light gray. And then that is it. This is very easy. It's the way that I paint all my pumpkins. It's tried and true. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.